The DroneX Pro is a high-quality, professional drone. It comes with many features that make it easier to fly and capture amazing footage. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-fly camera drone, then the Pro X might be just what you've been searching for. With its ease of operation and affordable price, the new drone on the market has attracted many customers. DroneX Pro takes aerial photography to the next level. What is DroneX Pro? DroneX Pro is a small, budget-friendly device that offers many features and is very handy. This quadricopter is collapsible and weighs less than regular ones. It can be easily carried in your pocket. DroneX Professional also features a high-definition camera that has a wide viewing angle. X Professional is available to help you, regardless of whether you're an explorer or a photographer. It can even be useful to find valuable objects and paths, even when you're exploring harsh terrains. This drone can be seen even in total darkness thanks to its LED. This drone has many hallmarks, and yet its price range makes other drones look like daylight robbery. Professional tech experts reviewed the Xpro drone's performance and confirmed its durability. These unique features make Xpro drone a formidable competitor on the market. Professional photographers who specialize in large-scale photoshoots and those in the film industry use affordable and portable devices that allow them to work more efficiently. X Professional is the best option for them. DroneX Pro specs. DroneX Pro is one of the most innovative drones of our time. Its design and build are exceptional. This is a unique flagship drone. Xpro is also a very affordable drone compared to traditional drones. Getting hold of this designer drone will allow you to take your photography to the next level. We will now go over the specs and then I will reveal its price. Camera resolution, 720p HD. Batteries, 3.7V 500 mAh LiPo. Gyroscope 6 axes. Charging time is approximately 1 hour. Radio frequency, 2.4 GHz. Wi-Fi FPV mode, enabled. Camera width, 120 degrees. Modes of flight and handling, 3. Flight time, 10 to 15 minutes of flight time. Velocity, 12 milliseconds. Transmission range, 1 kilometer. Anti-collision sensor, yes. Colors, black. Mobile app, available. Micro SD support, yes. Weight of DroneX Pro, 320 g. Altitude and air resistance sensors, yes. Material for construction, metal and plastic. Xpro dimensions, 12.5 by 7.5 by 5 centimeters, with propellers extended, 12.5 by 19.5 by 5 centimeters with propellers folded. DroneX Pro will soon launch a mini drone called X Professional Extreme. It features suggested changes and a 4K camera. But, I am often asked about Xpro's 1080p camera. However, this gadget is not currently available. Xpro Limitless has a 1080p camera, and Xpro Air is equipped with a limitless camera. This can be cloned by experts. It is likely that it is already in use. However, 720p high-definition cameras are capable of taking decent pictures. Xpro is unique among other drone cameras. The drone's motor is a cordless 0720 motor that has excellent working properties. All devices are compatible with the drone's software. The app supports all versions of Android software starting from version 5.0 and up. The drone is also compatible with all Apple devices that have the iOS 5.1.1 version or higher. The specifications also include a Wi-Fi app control system. Wi-Fi FPV allows you to use the remote person, RPV, or first-person, FPV, settings. This will allow you to see the whole picture clearly from one point. Pros and cons of DroneX Pro. A medium-level camera is available on the X Professional. Although it may not be as sharp as the cameras on more expensive drones, it is still the best of its kind. The drone's pros are generally more expensive than other brands. These are just a few of the many drawbacks that this drone has, and should be considered before buying Xpro. Pros. It's a very mobile device. DroneX Pro has a distance range of 1 kilometer. Xpro is a very affordable price. They offer top-notch customer service. The drone controller can be operated easily. There is a 30-day return or replacement policy. DroneX Pro is easy to operate, making it a good drone for beginners. If you lose your sight, it can automatically return to you by pressing the auto retreat button. The long battery life of the DroneX Pro is also excellent. The user can control the speed at any moment. The speed settings can be changed using a remote control or a phone. DroneX Pro features. Xpro features a portable genius design. It measures only 12.5 centimeters in folded form. It can be carried easily in your pocket and launched in seconds. It is also significantly lighter than the average laptop. It won't be a burden on your shoulders. Many claims that Xpro Indestructible is a video showing a drone being run over by a truck. Don't believe the rumors. X Professional is a natural part of nature that portability can come with fragility. Don't toss this little friend around. Let's discuss its flight range. Drone can fly between 70 and 80 meters. It can reach the top of 20-storied buildings. Xpro can transmit signals up to 1 kilometer. The drone must be at least 200 meters away from you in order to lose it. If the drone is kept within 200 m, it will transmit a moderate signal with low delay and 0 to minimal delay. There is no buffer within this range. Moreover, you can adjust the range and height of the X Professional drone flight according to the environment you are in. Intelligent features on the X Pro drone can bring it back to you just like your friends and loved ones reached home from lost trails. Using the drone is easy and comes with a detailed manual. You will soon be able to use it for as long as 2 hours. Here is an X Pro HD camera review. The cameras are 720p high definition and have a large angular range. It is quite capable of a budget drone. You can take panorama photos, group photos, bird-eye shots, panorama photos, 360 degrees photos, and more. A camera is a great tool for adventurers and explorers like me. I enjoy taking photos, but I also love to explore more. This little buddy can help you see where your eyes cannot. The Xpro HD camera also supports Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, which tracks your direction. The camera has never been reported as not working by customers. The Xpro camera app works the same way as the controlling app. You can also flip the drone 360 degrees with just one button click. This drone's agility is amazing, and it can perform many other tricks. Xpro can be used as a camera, explorer, and playmate. You can race your friends with the drone to see who wins. Drone tracking has 2 modes. When the drone loses its sight, it can push auto-return the primary position no matter at what location it is in or how far it is from the operator. The drone will track your location. In the second case, the drone will track you. If you want to track your drone in darkness, you can follow the different LEDs. Because it is in flight mode, it has excellent air resistance and can maintain its altitude. Xpro Headless Mode is useful when you have a good understanding of handling and speed. All these benefits can be obtained in one package, and you don't need to spend a lot. This drone is significantly cheaper than traditional drones. Now you can buy DroneX Pro amazing product. Thanks for watch the full video. Subscribe our channel for more gadgets.